Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you are here today. In this episode, we are going to follow Anna through a very real moment in her life. Anna is an international student in America. Like many students, she works an online job. But one day, something unexpected happens. The job suddenly stops. No warning, no work, no pay. Anna feels worried. She feels unsure. But she does not give up. In today's story, you'll hear real English used in real situations. You'll hear simple words, slow speech, and honest feelings. If you are a student, if you are working part-time, or if you are learning English right now, this story is for you. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and listen gently. Let's begin. Anna is at home. It is a quiet weekday morning. She sits at the small table near the window. Her laptop is open. She checks her email like she does every morning. Okay, let me check my email. This is from the company.
Hello, Anna. We hope you are doing well. We are writing to inform you that our online project is temporarily paused. Due to financial issues, we must pause operations. During this time, there will be no tasks available. Unfortunately, we cannot provide payment while the project is paused. Thank you very much for your time and your work.
So that means no work and no pay. She reads the email again, slowly. This is a contract job. There is no notice, no warning. I know this can happen in America, but it still feels sudden. She closes her laptop. I didn't do anything wrong. The company just stopped. This is real life. I should remember my visa rules. I have an F1 student visa. F1 students can work on campus up to 20 hours per week during school. For off-campus jobs, I need special work authorization, like CPT or OPT. I don't have that yet. She takes a deep breath and looks out the window. Later that morning, Anna goes outside. She waters the plants in the yard. She walks slowly, thinking.
Hey, Anna.
Hi, Maria.
How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. You?
Good. You're home today?
Yeah, my work schedule changed.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck with everything.
Thanks. They stand quietly for a moment.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Maria walks back inside. Anna continues watering the plants. She didn't ask more questions. That's American culture. People are friendly, but they don't ask too much. That's okay. I need to think anyway. That evening, Anna is in her room. She sits on her bed with her notebook. I need to think. I need money, but I also need English. She looks at her notes. When I worked online, I didn't talk much. I typed, I listened, but I didn't speak. My English didn't improve much. She looks at her English class schedule. I still go to English class on weekends. Many international students do this. We study, we work, we try. Maybe I should find a part-time job. A job where I can talk, where I can make mistakes. It's scary, but maybe that's good. With my F1 visa, I can work on campus. The library, the bookstore, the campus café. On-campus jobs are legal for F1 students. I don't need special permission. My school has a café. I can try there. Tomorrow I will go to campus. I will look for job postings. She closes her notebook. The next day, Anna walks to her campus. Her heart is beating fast. She goes to the student center. There is a bulletin board with job postings. Student worker needed, campus cafe, part-time, flexible hours. Okay, I can do this. She walks to the campus cafe. It's on the first floor of the student center. A man is cleaning tables. Hi, excuse me.
Hi. What can I do for you?
I saw the job posting. Are you still hiring?
Yes. Are you a student here?
Yes, I study at the community college.
Good. Do you have your student ID?
Yes. Here.
Great. Do you have a resume?
Yes. Here.
Okay. So, you're an international student?
Yes. I have an F1 visa.
That's fine. F1 students can work on campus. Can you work evenings and weekends?
Yes, I can.
Good. Can you come back tomorrow at 2 p.m. for an interview?
Yes, I can.
Great. See you then.
Thank you. He said interview tomorrow. Not you're hired. That's normal in America. I need to prepare. And he knows about F1 visas. That's good. This job is legal for me. The next day, 2 p.m., Anna walks into the campus cafe again. She wears a clean shirt and jeans. The manager is waiting.
Hi, Anna. Come, sit down.
Thank you.
So, tell me about yourself.
I'm a student. I study business here. I need a part-time job. I can work evenings and weekends.
Do you have experience?
I don't have cafe experience yet, but unfriendly and reliable. And I learn fast.
That's okay. We train everyone. Can you work with customers?
Yes, my English is not perfect, but I work hard and I am very careful.
That's good. The most important thing is this. Be polite. Be on time. And ask questions when you don't understand.
Yes, I can do that.
We pay $16 per hour. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay.
You can work maximum 20 hours per week during the semester. That's the rule for F1 students.
Yes, I know. That's okay.
Can you start next Monday?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Great. Come Monday at 4 p.m. Bring your student ID, I-20 form, and social security card if you have one. We need to register you with the payroll office.
I-20 form and student ID. Okay. I have those.
Perfect. We'll give you a uniform and train you.
Thank you. I'll be there. I got the job. I'm happy, but I'm also scared. My English is not perfect, but I will try. And this job is legal. That's important. Monday, 4 p.m. Anna arrives at the café. She wears her new uniform, a black shirt and black pants. Her hands feel a little cold. She brings her student ID and I-20 form.
Hi, Anna. Ready for your first day?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. Here are the forms for payroll. This is your W-4 form and I-9 form. Fill these out first.
W-4 and I-9. Okay.
Perfect. Now this is Mike. He'll train you today. Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Don't worry. It's easy. I'll show you everything. First, when a customer comes in, say, "Hi, how can I help you?"
Hi, how can I help you?
Good. And always smile. Americans like friendly service.
Okay.
If you don't understand something, just say, "I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?"
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Perfect. Now, let me show you the register.
A customer walks in. Anna's heart beats fast.
You try this one. I'm right here.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, can I get a small coffee, please?
Yes, of course. One small coffee.
Just black. No sugar.
Okay, one moment, please. She makes the coffee carefully. Her hands shake a little. She gives the coffee to the customer. Here you go.
Thanks. How much?
$2.50, please.
Keep the change.
Oh, thank you.
You did great.
Really?
Yeah, the first one is always the hardest.
Thank you. My English is not perfect. I feel nervous.
That's normal. You'll get better every day.
Thank you for listening, my friend. You just listened to my first part-time job in America. Anna lost her job. It happened so fast, and it was scary. But Anna didn't stop. She took a breath. She looked for something new. And she tried again. Life doesn't always go as planned. Sometimes a job ends. Sometimes things change. But what matters is this: we keep moving forward. If you are going through something similar, remember, you are not alone. I'm Sarah. Thank you for being here today. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now.